We're going to do disassembly, reassembly of a CVA muzzleloader. It's an inline system. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. There's a couple tools you're going to need. Should come with your muzzleloader. So right here, that's going to take that end of it is to take your nipple out. That'll take your breech plug out. This just obviously goes through there just so you can turn. You need that. And then you also got an Allen wrench. Should come with it. And then I always have a little CLP on me. So first thing you're going to do to disassemble, you got this screw right there, Allen wrench. It takes that off. Alright, and I guess maybe you should take this out first. You're not going to need that. Alright, take that one screw out. Barrel comes right out of the stock. Set that down. Alright, this end here, this cap comes off, and then that has a spring in there that holds your charging handle in place. Should be able to just take it off with hand tension. There we go. There's a spring that comes out. That little nipple there, that holds your charging handle in place. So that's how that comes off. Pop your bolt off here. See if I can't get that to pop out. There we go. And your bolt comes out. Now, make it a little bit easier, especially if your nipple and breech plug are in there pretty tight. You can just go ahead and stick it. Just set it back in the stock. Makes it a little easier to control. From there. You're going to have to pull your trigger again to get your tool in there. And you just position it over top your nipple there. Put that in there and your nipple's loose. Go ahead and take that out. Just hand turn your nipple out. There you have your nipple. Set that down, flip this over. Again, you're going to have to pull the trigger to get it in. And line it up. There we go. And there. And your breech plug comes out. There's your breech plug. Pop this back out of your stock. And I guess you can just clean it like that. I also have pulled off the trigger assembly before. It's going to be your same Allen wrench. And that's pretty straightforward. that's apart. So there you have it, completely broken down. Have all your parts. Have your trigger assembly, the 2 screws that hold it in. You got your breech plug, nipple. Have your bolt, charging handle, recoil spring. This is your plug for your back, and that's your screw that holds it all into your stock. So now that we got it apart, let's go ahead and put it back together. Now, first thing I'll say is I take CLP, and I always put a little CLP on my breech plug and my nipple just so it doesn't sit in there. It comes apart a lot easier, and you don't get the corrosion. You don't have the problems with it. I've not done that before, and it makes it very difficult to come apart, especially if you shoot it a couple times. So the best bet is just to put some CLP on it. Once you get that, put your breech plug in. Just go ahead and hand turn your breech plug in, and you can set it in your stock if you want to tighten it a little bit. It's easier if you have your trigger assembly in there. It doesn't turn, but that helps you grip it a little bit. Pull that back out. Go ahead and put a little bit of, oops, bumping the camera here. A little bit of CLP on the threads for the nipple. And once you're going to take it out to shoot it, I'd shoot a cap off first. That'll help clear some of that out. Make sure that it's not too wet. Not going to affect your powder. So I just set the nipple and the end of the tool there, and then go ahead and put the barrel and everything down over top of it. Put your and from there you can tighten it up. Alright, from that, I find it easier if I just put my bolt in there next, put my charging handle, put the recoil spring, and then go ahead and cap it off. Alright, from there you can go ahead and put your trigger assembly back together. Put your bolt in here. I always do the front one first, that's more difficult. And let's see if I can't go ahead and get it back on here. It's easiest just to start your front bolt, pull your safety, pull your trigger, and then just push it down. I lost my washer there. Oops. Everything always seems to go a lot easier when you're not trying to do it for a camera either. So there we go. And just snug those down pretty good. And your trigger assembly is back together. And after that, you just put it in the stock, make sure everything's seated in there correctly. Grab your bolt, Stick your bolt in, and then it's just simply tighten back up. To get that back together, just test the mechanism, make sure everything fires right. Everything seems to work. Put your rod back in, and you're good to go. And there you have it. That is the CVA Connecticut Valley Arms, and this is the Eclipse model 50 caliber muzzle loader.